I did not mean to pour that much, but hello, Candy Reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing the Safe and Fair Food Company Honeycrisp Apple Pie Granola made with real apples. Good for me, and I love Honeycrisp apples. Certified gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, and U. I don't know what that stands for, but it's a U, that's a fact. Nutrition facts and ingredients: made in a facility free from peanuts and tree nuts, milk, egg, wheat, soy, shellfish, fish, and sesame. Lots of things that people are allergic to. I'm allergic to nothing, so yay me. So I have an advantage of reviewing things because let's say you cannot eat peanuts, but I can. So it means that although you can't taste it, I can tell it for you so you know like what it tastes like. So even if you can't taste it, you can like kind of get an idea of what it tastes like, although you can't eat it because you have peanuts in it. Okay. The description of the product is right here. Connect with them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. The price is $8.99. There's a napkin. There's a notch here, so I assume that I can open it easily, which is true. Okay, let's just pour it out somehow. Here we go. I did not mean to pour that much, but well, I did pour something out. Stay and do not pour anything out because you're gonna make me mad if you do. A little pinch. These are apple pie. My dad actually likes this and he also forced me to review this. Yay for my dad. Boo for me when I could be just running off and reading a book or something. He forced me to review this because he is gonna take this when he goes to work as a snack thing. Yeah. He's saying, I asked you to do it, not forced you. But I'm like, no, you did. You forced me. I don't want to review this, and you asked me to review, so basically it's forcing me. Not bad. Let's go give a big handful to my mom. So, my mother doesn't like it because she thinks there's something like a somewhat flavor of artificial something. I don't know what. My rating is 3.5 because I don't know why, but something feels missing. My dad is a 4, which, I mean, it's fine for him. I don't care if I'm 2.5 or 1.5 because, after all, it's him. He is the person that's going to be taking this to work, not me. I have school, not a job. I'll not get a job in like 20 years. Anyway, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this brown table to get them as videos. Bye!